Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is my continuing effort to try and get SeeShell browser for web automation to run on Ubuntu 18. I have installed playonlinux, and version is 4.12, 4.2.12. And I'm going to click on install a program, and let's see, there doesn't appear. Okay, install a non-listed program. Okay, it's not related to WineHQ. Next. Next. All right, I'm going to create a virtual drive. Play on Linux. B drive. Call it that. 64-bit. Virtual drive is being created. You can see over here, it just got a pop-up. And I'm going to browse for the file to run. In this case, it should be in downloads, and there it is. I'm going to open that. It's found it. Click next. And let's see what happens. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 install. Now, last time I did this, the .NET files that SeeShell wanted complained about the download. And you can see it's pretty much stopped a lot, the same place where I stopped last time. And the installer that the Cantu people are using don't give a real meaningful update here on what is going on in terms of how much has been downloaded and whether or not there's any error messages happening in the background. And I did this before, and this is basically where it hung up last time as well. So my guess is trying to install SeeShell browser for web using playonlinux is going to fail as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and let's see. Canceling here doesn't work. Canceling there doesn't work. Cancel there. Cancel. The canceling does not seem to work. And close. If I close this, theoretically these apps should stop, but it's not allowing me to close that either. Okay, so let's go to htop and find I need to F3 search, and I'm looking for play on. All right, so now F9 should kill it. And enter to send. That didn't seem to close this. So I'm looking for setup, maybe F3 to search. F3 to search, wine. Go back. Maybe it's under wine. Wine server, so F9 to kill that one. Enter to kill. All right, something happened. You can see that that stopped moving. SeeShell. Let's see if it's SeeShell. F3 to search. SeeShell. Okay, there it is. Got something in there. So F9, F9, enter to kill. Okay, got one of them. And F3 to search, SeeShell, and F9, F9, enter to kill. And get the last one. Looks like I've got another play on Linux. F9 to kill, enter. All right, so F3 to search. I'm still trying to kill this application. Let's search for install. Search, install. Manual install. Yeah, that's still running. F9. Enter to send. Force quit. Okay. Got it. All right. Thanks for watching. That was another attempt to install SeeShell browser on Ubuntu, but it failed. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.